If you're searching for the perfect action camera for travel, outdoor sports, or high-quality vlogging, DJI's latest lineup has made the decision tougher than ever. In today's video, we're comparing the newly launched DJI Osmo Action 6 with a highly capable Osmo Action 5 Pro. Two cameras designed for creators, but built for very different shooting styles. The Action 6 brings a jump in sensor size, smarter shooting tools, and more professional control, while the Action 5 Pro remains a powerful, reliable choice with excellent value for money. Whether you're a filmmaker, a biker, a diver, or someone who just wants stunning stabilized footage without complexity, this comparison will help you pick the camera that fits your workflow. So make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Technify, and let's dive straight into the features that matter. The DJI Osmo Action 6 introduces meaningful upgrades to the series, starting with its new 1x1.1-inch square format sensor, which is physically larger than the 1/1.3-inch sensor inside the Osmo Action 5 Pro. This new sensor improves overall image quality, capturing more detail and noticeably cleaner low-light footage. The square aspect ratio also benefits creators who want to produce vertical, square, and widescreen content from the same shot without compromising sharpness. This flexibility alone positions the Action 6 as a more adaptive camera for multi-platform creators. Another major addition is the variable aperture, ranging from f/2.0 to f/4.0. This is extremely rare in an action camera category where most models, including the Action 5 Pro, use a fixed aperture. The adjustable aperture allows Action 6 users to control depth of field, manage bright outdoor lighting, and achieve more cinematic exposure transitions. It also helps maintain image quality in harsh lighting environments where fixed aperture cameras often struggle. Both cameras support 4K 120 frames per second recording, but the Action 6 brings improved processing and a refined stabilization engine. DJI has enhanced its Rocksteady and Horizon Steady algorithms, resulting in steadier footage during running, biking, and handheld shooting. The Action 5 Pro, on the other hand, delivers reliably smooth footage but lacks the extra dynamic stabilization finesse introduced with the Action 6. In terms of photography, the Action 5 Pro captures around 40 MP stills from its 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, delivering sharp textures and strong dynamic range. It's still an excellent performer, especially in daylight. Its dual OLED touchscreens, front and rear, give vloggers an intuitive framing experience, allowing quick switching without rotating the camera. Storage and build quality also separate the two models. The Action 5 Pro offers about 47 GB of built-in storage, which is a great convenience for casual shooters. The Action 6 continues this trend but includes more efficient thermal management, allowing longer continuous recording without overheating. Both cameras are rugged, waterproof to standard action camera depths and built for extreme conditions. But the Action 6 features improved heat dissipation during 4K high frame rate recording. In practical use, the differences depend on your content style. The Action 5 Pro is ideal for riders, travelers, and vloggers who shoot mainly in standard 16:9 formats and want excellent image quality without complexity. The Action 6, however, appeals to those who need flexible framing, better creative control, improved low-light performance, and next-level stabilization. Pricing makes the decision even more interesting. The Action 6 is expected to launch around $379 for the standard combo and $479 for the adventure combo. The Action 5 Pro stays more affordable at $349 for the base kit and $449 for the adventure combo. In short, the Action 5 Pro remains a reliable, well-rounded performer, while the Action 6 pushes DJI's action camera line into a more professional and versatile future. That's the full breakdown of the DJI Osmo Action 6 versus the Osmo Action 5 Pro. If you want the best balance of value, reliability, and simplicity, the Action 5 Pro is still a fantastic choice. But if you're ready for more cinematic control, better low-light performance, and footage that's optimized for every social platform, the Action 6 is clearly the step forward. Let me know in the comments which camera you would choose. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Technify for more tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.